It's nice.
You don't like it, I'll tell them to bring another one for you.
This is how you guys be acting all nice from the beginning until when you get what you want. The moment you get what you want, now you become so busy.
Okay.
What do you take me for? I'm not like other guys. I'm a honest guy. I don't like it, please.
See, tell me what you really want. I need you to open up to me. You open. Don't be shy. We are on a date and we are all matured. So I need you to like open up and tell me exactly what you really, really want. And I will do it. I'll give it to you. I will do it. Don't worry.
I want your nyash. Say I should be honest. I want to knock you. Yeah? I want to eat you like Ufakuma in Lewu.
Are you mad? What do you take me for?
You said I should be matured. Say I should be honest. Is that not what you said?
Bam.
Yeah? What else can you possibly do for me? You want to be my chef? Clean and wash for me.
I'm not your slave.
Okay.
That's why I say I want to suck you like periwinkle. I want to eat you like a benugu.
Oh my God.
What am I now? Am I not honest enough?